Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do this look. It's a very, I want to say, fall look, and I love it. I'm gonna start off by lining my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the, what's it called, Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I bought this pencil on accident because I thought it was the other one, but it works, so it's okay. So I start by lining the bottom right here, and then I just kind of shade it in a little bit because my eyebrows are already thick and dark. I don't really like doing it that much, so I try doing it light. Sometimes I do go overboard. Okay, so then I just use my little spoolie and go brush it out. And voila. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. I also have the shade Light, and I think that one's a little way too light for me. I feel like that one is too light for me, even though I'm already light as it is. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyways, so I'm just gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, my Shape Tape concealer, and clean my eyebrows. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I think the coffee is like affecting me because I can't talk apparently. Okay, very good. So I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques little brush. Kind of looks like this. I've had this for years. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just line it here. And then I just blend it with either a brush or a beauty blender, whatever works for you. This is just what I first saw. Hello. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other side. For today's look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe 35O, and this is the orangey one. Like this. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna go in with this, well, not the bright orange, but the little, go with this one. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So let's see, like right here. Probably used the wrong brush for this. No. Excuse me, you guys are gonna throw the camera. And if you're not gonna pay for it, don't mess with it, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna use a different brush and use a lighter brown to blend it out. I mean, the orange kind of faded out, but I can always go back. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out, like a brownish one. And I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush by Morphe. Put it over. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go with that dark shade again. And then now I'm gonna go using that. Using that. Don't make sense. I'm gonna go ahead with that first orangey color. Brick. I think it's more like a brick color. And I'm gonna try to see if it goes here. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my Tarte concealer again and cut my crease. Just because I did do a little, like I went a little too over here, and you know, I didn't want to go down all the way here. And I feel like if I just put the color I want here, it's not gonna really look right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this light shimmer right here. It's like, it has like a little pink tint to it, but it's not like completely white, and it has some shimmer. So I'm just gonna put that. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with that orange again, because I still want like a little bit of orange on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other side, and I'll be right back. Bueno, pues así lo dejamos ya. The primer I use is the Smashbox Photo Finish Reduce Redness Primer, and obviously because my skin is red always, I don't know why. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation, and the foundation I've been using recently is also from Smashbox. It's the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. This one I got in the tone Fair Light, and I actually got matched for this one because I tend to buy a little too dark foundations, but now I feel like this one's way too light because I like putting concealer as well. So I feel like light foundation plus light concealer is just me lighter, you know. But let's just see again, okay? I mean, I feel like it does match my skin very well. Just think that, like, for me, it may be too light just because that's my personal preference, because I like using concealer. Or maybe I'm just not seeing things correctly, and I'm just overthinking it. Do any of you guys have problems with baby hairs? Because let me tell you guys, I have so much baby hairs, like all this, and it's really frustrating sometimes because my little baby hairs go up, and then it's like, girl, contain yourself, you know. Still gonna put concealer on. I am gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know why I keep having a problem with saying that when, I don't know. Anyways, we're putting this bad boy on. La 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 la. Ah, I went too much. my contour, I really like using the Dual Ended Contour Stick by Wet n Wild, and I need to get a new one, or just a contour stick, because I don't even use this side. And this is how much I have left. Oh, some girl woke up in a bad mood today. Mama, leave your sister alone, please. I'm just gonna spray my face with the Mario Pedusky skincare. And now I'm just gonna blend everything. So it's gonna take me about 30 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Airspun loose powder. Oh my god. Why don't I think sometimes? Let me tell you, I don't. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with this and put it right here. So I'm gonna go in with my Italia Deluxe in chocolate. It's a lip liner, and then I'm gonna go in with the NYX liquid cream lipstick. For my mascara, I went ahead and used the Worth the Hype NYX mascara. And for my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use Lusty LA and Style Vegas. They look so cute. Okay, girl. These lashes are so cute. Parece que tengo tarántulas en mis ojos, pero me gusta. Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you liked my makeup, because I think it came out pretty good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.